Today, we're exploring the profound knowledge shared by Alex Collier, the esteemed Andromedan contactee. His experiences and messages from the Andromedans are fascinating and crucial for understanding our place in the universe. We'll be providing you with insights that are sure to elevate your cosmic consciousness. Throughout this video, remember that your engagement helps spread this vital information far and wide. Each like, subscribe, and notification bell you click brings Alex Collier's invaluable knowledge and the wisdom of the Andromedans to more curious minds across the globe. Also, remember that we host a live webinar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, so be sure to visit the link in the description for more information. But for now, here's today's video.
In your recent interview with Dr. Michael Sala, said that Enki is back in our solar system. He gave the original Adamic 12-strand DNA to the Earth Alliance. When do you think we can expect to observe some action to be taken in connection with this original human DNA? Thank you for all much you're already doing.
I have absolutely no idea. I have not met Enki, and I'm not aware that I will be participating in any of those things. So I don't know. If I were running this op, and I can only speak for myself, I would want the data and I would want it put into the holographic healing technology. That's what I would do with it. Now, I understand technology is a double-edged sword. The abuse of that technology has been in the hands of very low vibration maniacs. But as we go forward, and as we are in fact moving forward, the adults now have control of this technology. I've seen the technology, the holographic camera that the A's have. I've seen it work. I've seen it grow limbs. And then they, after a period of time, and I can't actually tell you how long that is because time is completely different in that realm. They get up and they walk out and they're in original condition. They're in original condition. You know, all original equipment, everything's working, thrusters on full. And since we have their genetics, all of their genetics for the most part, there's no reason that can't happen here. Now, they do use technology to do this. And there are those who are of the mindset that we don't need technology, that we should be able to heal ourselves. And I certainly get the natural healing process, allowing the body to do what it can to begin to heal itself. But does it always work? The answer is no. Sometimes the damage is so catastrophic that the body doesn't have the energy itself to heal. would this be appropriate? I feel we should have the opportunity to make that decision for ourselves. But in order for us to make that decision, the technology has to be here. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. So everybody can make the decision themselves to do it one way or the other. Obviously, one way's faster, and then you can go on with your life. Then we can extend our own longevity. And that's all I got to say on that. But that's how I would do it. The fifth dimensional physical bodies are different than our third density bodies. Their healings are really, really quick. I don't know if it would be the same quickness here or if it would be over a period of time where the healing beds, the holographic healing beds, whatever you want to call them, if just giving the body the memory of our original blueprint would help the body continue to heal itself. I don't know. There's been so much manipulation of our DNA to keep us trapped. I just simply don't have those answers. But the Alliance wants to introduce this technology to us for a reason. For a reason. I would think if we didn't need it, they wouldn't introduce it. Now, again, there are those, it's all witchcraft, it's all dark. If you want to live in that space, ignoring the fact that we live in a duality, then you go for it. You go for it. You live in fear and in isolation. You go for it. I'm not going there. I'm not going there. And in my humble opinion, I think you're an idiot to not be open to the possibilities of the positive side of this, the benevolent side of this. And I'm no longer even interested in having this conversation with you. Okay? Especially when you're going to trash me and others. So, you go where you go with that. Next question, please.
Hello, dear Alex. Sorry. Sherilyn Wells. Aloha, Alex. In your first interview with Dr. Sala, you mentioned the July 2022 event with light arriving in our solar system from a supernova in Cygnus Alpha. I didn't notice anything, but perhaps you can explain further.
Well, we did get impacted by gamma rays, very, very extreme gamma rays, which did show up in some way in the human residence. But you're right, there was no light passing through. I cannot explain it. And I simply don't have any more information. I do notice that it was interesting that the science aspect of everything, none of that was even addressed. Not the gamma rays. They never talk about the Schumann resonance. Only the Russians share that information. But you're right. You're absolutely right. It just came and went. So that's all I have on that.
As we come to the end of today's cosmic journey, we hope you're leaving with a mind full of wonder and curiosity. If you've enjoyed this video and believe in the importance of sharing Alex Collier's messages, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon. This simple act goes a long way in ensuring that this knowledge reaches others searching for these cosmic truths. Also, remember to leave your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. We do read all the comments. Until next time, keep looking up and questioning the universe. Stay curious, fellow cosmic explorers. If you would like to see Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live webinar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information and dates of upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org. Please click on one of the above videos to seek more of Alex Collier's knowledge.